After opening new Canva project, let's change the background color to black and go to text, type your text. Let's change the font to Fatimi, increase the size, place it in the middle, and go to advanced settings and decrease the letter spacing, make it -40, and go to text color and choose gradient style. Go to this plus button and let's change this one with yellow. Choose circular gradient and change the color positions. I'm going to use this image in my design. Let's remove the background and let's adjust the size. Place it like this. Let's crop it from the bottom and from the left side and click on this image. Go to edit, filters, see all, and scroll down to outrun. And now go to apps and type color mix. Choose this app, choose Arctic, and let's change the image color again. Let's make these colors. Scroll down and click save. And here is the final results.